Warm good morning to respected principal sir, vice principal ma'am, worthy teachers and all present here. Today I am Uman Shrana from 8B class welcomes you all in today's morning assembly. As you all know that today is 23rd December celebrated as Kisan Divas or National Farmer Day. Kisan Divas or National Farmer Day is celebrated across India every year on 23rd December to the hard-working farmers who provide food for entire nation. This date was chosen to celebrate the birth anniversary of Shri Chaudhry Charan Singh, the 5th Prime Minister of India. The day served as a reminder that farmers are the backbone of India's economy and the main reason for our food security. During the celebration, various programs are held to teach farmers about modern technology such as digital agriculture mission and drone farming, which help them to grow more crops with less efforts. And we also celebrate with famous slogan Jai Jawan Jai Kisan, which means we respect both our soldiers and our farmers. So now I would like to call Kavya Thakur from 8B class for her speech.
Today I am Kavya Thakur from 8B standard standing in before you to speak on Farmers Day or Kisan Divas, a day to salute the real heroes of our nation, our farmers. As you all know, India is an agricultural country and farmers are the backbone of our economy. जब देश सोता है तब किसान खेतों में जागता है, जब हम आराम करते हैं तब किसान धूप, बारिश और ठंड से लड़ता है. Farmers grow food not just with seeds, but with hope, hard work and sacrifices. Government has taken many steps to support farmers. They make policies like PM Kisan Yojana. In this policy, farmers get financial support directly into their bank accounts. Crop insurance scheme. In this policy, farmers are safe even when crops fail to natural disasters. Soil health card and Kisan credit card. In this policy, government help farmers to improve productivity and get easily loans. इन योजनाओं का मकसद है किसान को आत्मनिर्भर बनाना और उसकी मेहनत को सही कीमत दिलाना. Benefits for farmers. Because of these policies, farmers get financial security, access to modern technology and better seeds. As you all also know that despite all this, farmers have to still face many problems like unpredictable weather and climate, lack of proper storage and fair market prices, mental stress and social pressure. किसान का दर्द तब समझाता है जब फसल तैयार होकर भी उसके सही दाम नहीं मिलते. We enjoy 3 meals a day, but a farmer often sleeps with worry instead of peace. Our responsibility is that respecting farmers is not just about celebrating a day, but it's about supporting them every day. We must respect their hard work, avoid wasting food, support local farmers, because no farmers means no food and no food means no future. Let me end my speech with few lines. The farmers is the only man in our economy who buys everything at retail, sells everything at wholesale and pays the transportation's cost both ways. So let us stand together and say proudly, Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan, long live our farmers. Thank you and Jai Hind.
Farmers are the most important people in our society because they provide food we eat every day. They work very hard in the fields under the sun and rain to grow healthy crops. Now I would like to call Nancy from 8B class for her poem.
माथे पर पसीना है, शरीर पर धुलकन है, कंधे पर हर है, फिर भी अन्न उपजाते हैं अन्नदाता. इनको नहीं है फिक्र मौसम की और ना ही फिक्र है अपने शरीर की. इनको तो बस अन्न उपजाना है, सारे विश्व का पेट भरना है. लेकिन दुख की यही बात है और चिंता का भी यही कारण है. जो अन्न उपजाते हैं वही आज चिंतित हैं और पूछो तो चिंता है क्या, बस कर्ज का बोझ है चिंता का आधार. जिसके समाधान के लिए समाज है जिम्मेदार. हल कर बोझ ये सह सकते हैं लेकिन कर्ज के बोझ से दबे हुए हैं. कैसे इस कर्ज से निकले, बस इसी चिंता में डूबे हुए हैं. इसलिए इन अन्नदाताओं को कर्ज से मुक्ति दिलानी होगी. चिंता में डूबे इनके चेहरों पर मुस्कान लानी होगी क्योंकि इनकी मेहनत से ही टिका है विश्व का भरण पोषण.
Now I would like to call Ankit Himan from 8B class for his
कड़ी धूप हो या हो शीतकाल, कड़ी धूप हो या हो शीतकाल, हल चलाकर ना होता बेहाल, हल चलाकर ना होता बेहाल। रिमझिम करता होगा सवेरा, रिमझिम करता होगा सवेरा, इसी आस में ना रोकता चाल, इसी आस में ना रोकता चाल। खेती बाड़ी में जुटाता ईमान, खेती बाड़ी में जुटाता ईमान। महान पुरुष है वो किसान, महान पुरुष है वो किसान। छोटे छोटे से बीज बोता, छोटे छोटे से बीज बोता, वही एक बड़ा खेत होता, वही एक बड़ा खेत होता। जिसके दरकार हो उसकी, जिसके दरकार होती उसे, बोकर उसे वह तभी सोता, बोकर उसे वह तभी सोता। खेतों का कण कण है जिसकी जान, खेतों का कण कण है जिसकी जान। महान पुरुष है वो किसान, महान पुरुष है वो किसान। धन्यवाद।
At last, I would like to say that farmers are the real heroes. They work very hard to feed the nation, and farmers are the backbone of our country. Thank you. Have a nice day.